Every setback serves as a setup for a triumphant comeback. Life may knock you down, but the decision to rise again is entirely yours. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by life's relentless challenges, with the odds seemingly insurmountable? In the journey of life, moments arise when the world appears to turn its back on us. During those times of despair, it becomes easy for others to dismiss us, thinking we're fated to linger in the shadows of failure. The truth is, everyone will doubt you, providing an opportunity for you to prove them wrong. The path to redemption is not just any comeback, it is a monumental one that silences every doubter. I vividly recall the instances when life had me cornered, feeling defeated and insignificant. Yet deep down, I knew there were those secretly hoping I'd never rise again. But something ignited within me, and I declared that this is not the end of my story. Stepping back from the world, re-evaluating and re-emerging transformed months later, stronger and more resilient. Life throws diverse challenges at us, and how we choose to confront them becomes our defense. When I made my return, I was no longer the same person. I had become stronger, more resilient. This transformation occurred because I chose to stage a comeback. Now, it's your turn, and you have the power to surpass even my journey. Whether it's mastering a new skill, achieving financial success, or sculpting an incredible physique, you can do it all. When you do, those who once doubted you will look on in awe. Let me guide you through 7 pivotal steps to turn your life around and orchestrate the most remarkable comeback you've ever imagined. In this segment, we delve into the concept of ghost mode, a crucial step for anyone aiming to make the greatest comeback of their life. While most people seek attention and validation on social media, there's a different, more profound path you can take, a period of invisibility. This is a path walked by many great individuals throughout history, where they worked tirelessly, unnoticed and undistracted by the world's gaze. Ghost mode is the bedrock of any true comeback. But going ghost mode isn't just about being unseen. It's a deep, introspective journey. It's about muting the incessant noise of the world to hear your own thoughts, facing your inner demons, confronting your darkest emotions, fears, pain, and trauma. Embracing ghost mode means turning inward, facing challenges head-on, and using them as a catalyst for growth. This is your moment to rise from the shadows, stronger and more resilient than ever, ready to make your mark on the world. Remember, the greatest comebacks are born from the depths of solitude and self-confrontation. Let's embark on this journey together, embracing the wisdom of the past and the resilience within us in the quest to make the greatest comeback of your life. A pivotal step is to immerse yourself in learning a new skill. This phase is not just about reinvention, but about strategically equipping yourself with a tool that promises financial independence and aligns with the ethos of freedom. Consider, for instance, the potential of running a faceless channel. Its versatility in generating income is immense and harmoniously complements the concept of ghost mode. The key lies not in amassing a plethora of skills, but in mastering one that resonates with your core and can pivot your life in a new direction. This approach contrasts with the common trap of endlessly consuming self-help content without tangible application. The true value of knowledge is realized only when it's put into practice. Embrace this wisdom, choose one skill, delve deep into it, and let your actions speak. Focused application, rather than scattered efforts, is the cornerstone of a triumphant comeback. In aligning this strategy with the rhythms of modern life, understand that our world values specialization and the unique application of skills. It's not about learning, but about adapting and applying your newfound skill in innovative ways that resonate with current market trends and personal aspirations. Your comeback story woven with this newly acquired skill, will be a narrative of resurgence and a testament to the timeless principle of focused dedication leading to success. In this segment, we explore the transformative power of what I like to call productive vengeance. This is the third step in crafting the greatest comeback of your life, a step that takes you beyond the ordinary. Every person who's wronged you, every doubter, every naysayer becomes a source of your strength. Productive vengeance isn't about seeking revenge in the traditional sense. It's about outshining them through your own success and achievements. It's about proving to yourself and the world that you're more than what they thought. Productive vengeance isn't just about people. It can be about circumstances or events that have shaped your life. Transform anger and pain into a relentless drive for success. Make a list of those who doubted you, the situations that hurt you, and set out on a mission, not of bitterness, but of triumph. Your success is the best response to those who never believed in you. Every setback, every challenge you face, is just another chapter in your story of resilience and victory. Use your past not as a weight, but as a launch pad for your greatest achievements. Let's pause for a moment to appreciate your presence here. If you've watched this far, you're clearly dedicated to turning your life around. Drop a comment saying, "I am Stoic," to celebrate your commitment to this life-changing journey. And if you're new here, please comment, "I'm new," to show you're ready to make the greatest comeback of your life. Stay tuned, because the most inspiring part is still yet to come.